Welcome to Southern Machinery. Today, we are going to learn the first lesson of operating the outform machine. Nozzle data and settings. Route indication. Click on Program Editing. Click on Nozzle data. Configure the nozzle data. Click on Add to add new nozzle data. The new nozzle data is displayed here. Each click on Add adds a new data. The nozzle name can be set by yourself. For the convenience of the next operation, modify it to 1, 2, 3, 4. The nozzle type is divided into nozzle and gripper. The specific type selection is based on the actual situation. The length and width are default values and do not need to be modified. The height is the specific nozzle height and needs to be measured and input by yourself. The following 6 data are all default settings and generally do not need to be changed. They can also be modified according to the specific situation. The vacuum data is only related to the nozzle. It is recommended to set the distance at which the nozzle opens in advance to 10 millimeters. The distance at which the gripper opens in advance is recommended to be the default value of 35 millimeters. The distance at which it opens in advance is only effective for high speed. After the nozzle configuration is completed, click on the main menu to return to the previous page and the data is automatically saved.